Introducing Windows 11. Imagine an operating system designed to connect you to everything you love, and more. Windows 11 is here, blending style, functionality, and innovation to redefine your experience. It's not just an OS, it's your gateway to productivity, creativity, and enjoyment like never before. Say hello to simplicity and elegance. The fresh, clean design of Windows 11 makes everyday use calm and intuitive. With the Start button now centered, navigation feels more natural. Icons, fonts, and sounds have been thoughtfully curated to empower you, making your PC a hub of inspiration. Windows 11 introduces snap layouts and snap groups. You can arrange apps, manage multiple tasks, and even create separate desktops tailored for work, gaming, or personal activities. It's multitasking, redefined, helping you stay organized and laser-focused on your goals. Keep in touch with your loved ones faster than ever. With Teams Chat in your taskbar, reach friends and family instantly across platforms, from Windows to Android or iOS. Whether by text, call, or video, Windows 11 eliminates barriers, creating effortless and meaningful connections. For gamers, Windows 11 is revolutionary. With DirectX 12 Ultimate for dazzling graphics, Auto HDR for vivid visuals, and direct storage for swift load times, gaming transitions into next-level immersion. Combine this with Xbox Game Pass for access to over 100 fantastic games. Windows 11 means fun without limits. Gone are the days of distractions. Widgets bring curated, AI-powered updates on news, weather, and more right to your desktop. It's your digital world neatly tucked into view, keeping everything you care about just a glance away while allowing you to stay productive. The Microsoft Store gets a full makeover. You'll find a dazzling variety of apps, games, and content in one trusted space. Android apps now join the mix, made possible through the Amazon App Store and Intel Bridge, giving users unmatched flexibility in app choices. From cutting-edge AMD Ryzen power to Intel's innovative processors, Windows 11 is tuned for performance. Enhanced touch, inking, and voice recognition capabilities allow for a seamless user experience across devices, making everyday computing smoother and more intuitive. Transitioning to Windows 11 is a breeze. Available as a free upgrade for eligible Windows 10 PCs, it provides all these new features without you having to buy a new device. It's a win-win for performance and value. Are you ready to create, connect, work, and play better than ever before? Dive into the transformative experience of Windows 11 today. Upgrade your PC now and embrace a future powered by unimaginable possibilities. Let's make this adventure together. What will you create with Windows 11?